What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Got a quick little video for you today. I'm going to show you how to adjust the shift light on the Hayabusa. So you got these two buttons here, you're going to press them down both at the same time, hold them for a few seconds, turn the key on, and then what you're going to do is you're going to hit this button on the right. That's going to show you that the light is on or off. You can see it there. Right here is going to let you adjust the brightness setting. I'm going to hit mine all the way up. And then I've already got mine set at 11,500. Hayabusa red line's at 11,750. So we're gonna get it right around there. You just press this up, put it where you want. That's what we're gonna do for today. I'm gonna hit this button. It's good to go. And then to make sure it's on and off, you can see there's a little lightning bolt just to the left of where the gear indicator is. Here it is right here. Alright, so that lets you know. Thanks for watching.